Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, another successful day of distribution of bread packs and bundles for our Syrian refugees in Lebanon. We are in Bekaa Valley at the sunset at the end of this day, 24th of October 2018. Till now, we have successfully finished distributing over 73,000 food packets for over the past 6 weeks. We would like to thank you all for all your contributions, for all your donations, for all your support for those families who are in big need for your support. We are all at the end of October, beginning of November, and winter is approaching very fast. So please don't forget them in your prayers, in your dua, and in your support. By their names, we would like to thank you and tell you Jazakumullah khair for everything. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.